Hey viewers, what's up you guys? This is Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Take. So here in this video, this is not any type of tutorial video or any advising video, but here in this video I have a 90s sound system. It's a 90s best stereo system that's in my home. So in this video I'm going to uncover it and I will show you what's inside this whatever you say. It's a sound system. So without making late, let's start this video with me. So here in this video you can see how I can uncover this whole sound system, and after that you can also see what's inside it. Still now I haven't any experience with this, so how I can uncover it, but in this video I'm going to uncover with you. Without making it late, let's start this video with me. Before starting this video, that I request, if you're not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So here we are here in our this table, so we will start it to uncover it. So first of all I will just unscrew those cover from here, and here almost each and every cover is unscrewed. So let's see from this side, is it okay? No, here one screw is here, so I'll start to unscrew those one by one. It's very old sound system. Here you can see it's a screw. So let's open it, and wow. Here you can see this is the cover of the whole thing, entire thing that you can see. It's a cover, you can see. So let's inside it. And now I will take you here. Where is here? This is your whole sound system is here, and from here you can see under these here you can see each and everything. It's a motherboard, and the main thing of it's this is their CD player. These all are their CD players, one by one. So let me show you the CD player. Still now they have no any controller of these. Here you can see this is the one by one CD player are here, and this all are. So you can see this is the CD that still now right now it's it's deprecated, so I can pull off those CD from here. Let me show you. Okay, the other CD here. The main problem is that each and everything is adjusted here, conjusted from the before. So there's all of the CD that you can insert there, and you can play those as a song, video, audio, whatever you want. So here let's check out their backside. Here you can see this is for your FM radio, and this is for your phone jacks, and this is for your video jack. If you have any DVD player, that time you can use those port to use on, and this is for your speakers. Here you can see these are all are for your speakers, that here you can insert a wire so that you can connect your speaker with this, and you can use it here. And the model of the Sony, okay. Let me turn it around here. Okay, right, this will be best viewpoint here. these you can see what's here. So in this case, let me turn around this. This is for your wire that's all are outdated, and I'm gonna remove it. Oh my god, it's totally okay. First of all, remove it. This is one kind of motherboard. You can see it's inserted here, right here it's inserted, so I can just escape it, and I need this one. What's it? I don't know, so I will just unscrew it. It's very heavy weighted. Very heavy weighted. Oh gosh. It's for your wire that you can see. It's an wire that is, it's plug-in wire that you can see. It has just connected round here. This is the wire. It's connected with this, and with this connection it works, and it's very heavy weighted. Very heavy weighted. That's for another. I don't know why it works. Oh, if I want to remove it, then I must have to off it. Okay, let's cut this wire. Let's see why it's, oh, it's very weighted, very weighted. Oh, it's very weighted, almost 15 kilogram. It's almost 15 kilogram. Okay, so I think here have its own motherboard, another motherboard. That's, here it is. You can see the motherboard. Inside this is the main motherboard, and I think this is for your control panels, and this is for your battery. It's very heavy weighted, that almost 15 kilogram. The main thing is here for their control panel, that's like for your sound effects or others. It's chunked. Oh, it's break. It's chunked here. This for the sound effect, and this is for cassette. That you can see, it's a cassette that you can see. This is the cassette that the 90s kids know about this, the cassette system. It's completely out. It's a volume controller, volume rocker. It's breaking. So here, this is the whole sound system that I have just shown to you. That here you can see each and every motherboard. Here one by one the motherboard. This is the chip. And This all are the one type of ribbon that you can also see. And here, this is the control panel of this mic level, that you can use this mic level. This is the control panel of panel board that you can see. This is the panel board, and here this is for the sound. So I hope I'm able to show you each and everything that you want to hear from me from this sound system, and I hope this will be enjoyable video for you. Not a tutorial video, but it's really interesting for you guys. If it's really interesting, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video. So no more today guys, we will meet in the next video. So till then, take care, have a nice day.